in the previous video, you guys saw what are the important dimensions, correct? And also you must have seen all the dimensions which are there. Now guys, not all of them are important, but then if you know at least around 60% of whatever is given to you, I think that's good enough. Okay. Now let's look at, see, now that you have dimensions, now you must have seen couple of things in those, all the list whatever we gave, right? Now in that, what I want you to notice, or what you would have already noticed, is there are 4 types how we can categorize this. Okay, 4 types. Now the first one are dimensional constants. Now what are these? These are constants which have dimension. Best example for this is universal gravitational constant, capital G. See, that's a constant which has dimension, isn't it? And along with that, we can also tell velocity of light in vacuum. That's also constant. So like this, you have a lot of things, right? There are lots of physical quantities which are dimensional constants. This is the first type. The second type is dimensional variables. Now what are these? These are variables which have dimensions. Okay. Now most of the things like area, length, mass, correct? See, all these things have dimensions, but they're all variables, right? Not every object has the same mass. Not every distance has the same length, isn't it? Now these are dimensional variables. The next one is dimensionless constants. Now these are constants which they don't have any dimensions. Okay, best examples are mathematical numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. See, these are constants. These are all mathematical constants, but they don't have any dimensions whatsoever. Correct? So, dimensionless constants. Now, the last 4th category is dimensionless variables. The name itself suggests these are variables which they do not have dimensions. Okay, example is angle. Okay, or you can call it, or you can also take refractive index. Refractive index you guys have learned last year, isn't it? Now these are dimensionless variables. They change. Obviously angles change. Refractive index of different media is going to change, isn't it? But they do not have any dimensions. Alright, now these are the 4 categories what you have. And now in the next upcoming videos you will see where we are going to use this dimension and dimension analysis.